tissue. Fruit salad ka, girl. Nilagay ko ng yellow yung fruit. Sige, plate mo pa.
Along that street, talking nervously.
Second round.
Closer won't be long now. You made me write this song, yeah. We safe but don't know how. We far away from town. We talk until we can't no more. You know it like I found before. Track of the time now. The moment is right now. I've been here before. I've been here before. Feels like you're mine now. No need to pretend how. 'Cause we're not again.
Hi guys! Welcome back to another vlog for today's video. Medyo nakaayos na ako and actually gumawa ako ng intro kanina pero hindi ko sure kung anong bahala na kung anong malalagay natin. So by the way, highway today is, wait lang ha. Ayan. Today is Saturday, February 26. Yeah. February 26. So, aalis kami. Paalis na kami actually. So, naka-ready na ako. Kita naman sa pack na lipstick natin. So, may pupuntahan kami ni ate today na itatry. Actually, na-try ko na to before kasama yung boyfriend ko. Pero that time, nung nag-try kami dito and kumain, well, obviously restaurant siya, is meron silang pa-games. So, after namin makuha yung receipt, meron kang free na parang Chinese New Year yun, may game sila. So, ipapresent mo lang yung receipt mo, pwede kang mag-spin twice yata dun sa wheel nila nung Chinese New Year. So, luckily, pagka-spin ko is nakakuha ako ng 2 coupon, which is parang bumalik lang yung binayaran ko. So, eto siya. Pupunta tayo today sa Dookie. So, I'm not sure kung familiar kayo or hindi pa. Ito yung parang Korean restaurant na meron na sa SM North. So, doon tayo pupunta today kasi until February lang to. So, 26 na ngayon. So, this is the last weekend na pwede namin siyang matake dahil may pasok ng weekdays. So, ayan. So, isasama namin kayo for today. So, let's go! Ubus na yung first batch namin. So, papalit natin to para mag-try tayo ng ibang sauce. Bisyo. Fruit salad ka, girl. Nilagyan ng yellow yung fruit. Sorry. Second round. Yes. Ito. Ito masarap. May cheese sa loob. Sige, plate mo. Second round. Tinry namin yung creamy sauce or soup. Pero spicy pa din siya. Yeah. Guys, we're done. Pauwi na kami after math. How was the experience?
Busog.
Busog. Ang bigat sa tiyan, my gosh. Food coma na kami ni ate kanina. Sobrang dami na. Nung second round pa lang, sobrang bigat, hindi na namin maubos. Pero ngayon, it's a good experience to try Korean restaurants. Aside from Samgyu. Pauwi na kami!